Alright, if I want to revolve, make this equation, make this region, it's right there, but I want to revolve it around y equals 8. This is y equals 8. I'm revolving it around it so it looks like a cup kind of thing when I revolve it, a really flat cup. So I'm spinning it this way. Again, this is not drawn to scale because that's 2 and that's 8. Alright, so we're spinning it this way. Now when you spin it, don't you see there's going to be a hollow inside? Whenever it's hollow inside, it's washer. So, to do this, when you're spinning it that way, we're going to put a pi out front. Our interval, if we're spinning it this way around that axis, aren't we still having lines that are going this way? Aren't we adding up lines this way? So the lines are vertical, so we're adding up vertically, so this is still going to be dx, and we're going from 0 to 2. Go from 0 to 2, because the reason you want to draw these little segments here is because they tell you how you're going to integrate. The segments are always perpendicular. So we know this is going to be dx at the end. We also know it's a washer, so we have two radiuses that are going to be subtracted. We just got to figure out the outer one and the inner one. Okay. Now, if I am, from this axis, creating my outer one, isn't it going to be all the way from here to here, and isn't it always going to be 8? So this is always just going to be 8. The distance from here to here is always 8. Now, the distance from here to here is a little bit more confusing. Let me write it down. It's going to be 8 minus 2x squared. Now this is going to take you a little bit to understand. The reason it's 8 minus 2x squared. The length from here to here is 8, correct? The length from here to here, that little shaded region, I should have made a bigger graph, is 2x squared. So if I want the top, don't I take 8 minus the bottom to get the top? The whole thing's 8. If I want, so the whole thing's 8. Got it? This is what I have. I want the other piece, so you take 8 minus what I have to get the other piece. So you take 8 minus what you have to get that length, because I want this length from here to here and revolve that. So there's that length. We subtract from the 8 length, and then this is going to be your function. Alright, and you can simply solve this. I'm not going to do it right now, but that's what you would set up.